UDST is a technical university here in Doha, Qatar, where we focus on technical experiences for students, and all of our courses are accompanied by laboratories where they use different pieces of equipment. And here in UDST, we introduce students to 3D printing through the different CAD courses that we have, where they have to model little parts and print them to see how well the result comes out. And then that gives them the idea of what they have to consider to make their model right, what they have to consider to make their model fit. And this way, they can go through different stages of modeling and different stages of design, where obviously to get the final product out of metal. Phillips machine tool has been a great help from the beginning of the process. The purchase, the installation, the training, and the troubleshooting that came after. It's very useful to have local support here in the Middle East.
I have heard about metal 3D printing and how it is used in the industry and how it is the future of additive manufacturing. And now that I can see the Markforged Metal X 3D printer used here in UDST, I think it is a very great exposure for me.
This technology allows the students to get in touch with what manufacturing is becoming, because more and more 3D printing and additive manufacturing is coming into the industry at the moment, because we save a lot of time in the production of prototypes, and instead of having to do all of the tooling and all of the machining required to make the parts, we can just model and print, which gives a correct result and a very good result in a short period of time.
My name is Anis and I'm fourth year mechanical engineering student. Throughout my courses, we have been studying about traditional methods of manufacturing, but knowing more about the Markforged 3D printing machines, I'm truly amazed on how the future is going to look like in the field of manufacturing.
This way, students that are trained on the technology could go out of school and then enter any company that would be interested to go into 3D printing. Metal 3D printing is a technology that is used nowadays by a number of industries. Automotive, aerospace, defense, oil and gas industries are using it for different solutions. Tooling is one of them, where you can produce an end result in days instead of months. So far, our journey has been great with Markforged and Phillips machine tools. I'm just happy that our students can benefit from all of this.